Hello guys, and welcome back to something I have not done in a very long time, which is computer stuff. Today I've gotten a request from a subscriber from a super old video that was actually not meant to be on this channel and still somehow manages to be my most viewed video. It's weird, but anyway, it's a long story. Basically the guy said, nice video for Windows 95. Next time try to get on the internet, use IG Internet Explorer. Windows XP for emulators. Basically, he's saying to get on the internet using Windows XP. So, I have downloaded. I already got the internet on this emulator. But we can try to get into some websites or whatever. So, yeah. Let's just see, I guess, what we can get into, I guess. And just whatever. So, he said use Internet Explorer, and this is great. Okay. So, let's try get on Try to get on frogfind.com, which is basically an old internet browser for computers. Alright, that not seemed to work. Let's see if we even have internet connection. I can already see this video is going to get so many views. It's so entertaining. Okay, and it seems like it's not even working because it says my local area is connected and it's not working. Here we're in Windows 2000. We're in Windows 2000 now. This is I'm sorry. Okay, we can't get Windows XP on the internet right now. It's a pain. All right, but Windows 2000 is close enough. Okay. Okay. I think it froze. Okay. See, I just act so weird in front of my computer. All right. Well, we really went up to Windows 7, so, I mean, Windows Vista. So let's go on the internet here. Oh, okay, I feel you, okay. Let's go to apple.com. Yeah. Wow. So cool. Let's go to YouTube.
You're ugly. You are disgusting. I'm going to kill you. Give me $200.
You know, god damn it. Alright, screw this video. We're done. Alright, this is, listen, man. Alright, you requested, this, video, okay? Thank you very much for, requesting this, but, stuff are just not working right. Yeah. But thank you very much for requesting the video, and making this video possible, and, yeah. Request some more things. Maybe not much computer stuff if you can help it because I'm screwing up on this. But, thank you for the request. Till next time.